is Sean from Camp Harmony Television. What's your name?
Ah, look out! Incoming. Russ Brusso.
Russ Brusso, what's going on right now?
Right now, it's a fierce battle.
Fierce battle?
Yep.
Who are you battling?
Anybody that's thrown at me.
What are they throwing?
Major ones.
Major snowballs? How do you feel about it?
Yeah, my arm's wearing out.
Your arm's wearing out?
No.
Are you a baseball player?
No, I should have been.
Here, look here, look here. Say hi.
Oh, hi.
Oh, jeez. Sir, what's your name? Sir, what's your name? Demotheus, where are you from?
I'm from Southern Virginia originally. I'm in Buffalo.
I hear from Mr. Russ Brusso that you're the enemy.
Russ Perot, what?
Huh? Ross Perot? Russ Peruso. Jeez. Sir, please tell me what's going on right here. Sir, please tell me what's going on right now. Please, I don't understand this.
I don't either. I'm getting...
Sir, how do you feel about this?
Oh, that's a little uncomfortable. That's a little awkward.
This is Sean from Camp Harmony TV, and I'm about to make a trip down the hill of craziness, and I'm gonna look at myself, and all these wonderful people are around me, and I don't know. How should I feel? Scared. I'm stoked. I'm cracked. Yeah! Let's go! All right, you guys ready for it? All right, I need all your help to push. Okay. All right, ready? Hold on a sec. Let me flip it around. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, This is Sean from Camp Harmony TV. And come check out what's going on here. May I ask what's going on here? What's going on?
I'm a snowball fighter.
What's your name?
Caitlin.
Caitlin?
Cornell.
What grade are you in?
6.
Where do you go to school?
Richmond.
And what's going on? May I ask you, can you guys all come in real quick for this, please? And can you guys please tell me what's happening here?
Behind a snowball attack.
And what's going on behind us?
A serious snowball attack.
A serious snowball attack.
I was held hostage. I was held hostage.
Too many people are yelling.
I need it close so we don't have time.
They're coming.
They're coming.
Ready?
They're coming. We need you guys. Ow!
Hi, this is Sean from Camp Harmony TV. What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew, what grade are you in?
7th.
And where do you go to school?
Richmond.
And what are you about to do here?
I'm gonna hit that jump.
Let's see it.
Hold up, wait a minute, put a little love in it.
What's your name?
Jeff.
Jeff, where are you from?
From Wisconsin.
What grade are you in?
8.
Are you dead?
Yes.
Well, since he's dead, this is Sean with who?
Yeah.
I don't wanna be right, but I'm good. My soul gives me the highest delight. Yeah, it's better than drugs. In fact, it's sent from above. Hold up, wait a minute, put a little love in it. Can't kick the habit. I've got to have it. I'm what they call a love addict. Can't live without it. Go shout about it. I'm a symptomatic love addict. Need how we feel, 'cause I just can't get enough. I'm gonna feed my own, yeah. And the prescriptions will make the truth on me, 'cause that is.
Hi, my name is Sean from Camp Harmony TV. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah, where are you from?
Richmond.
Richland? And what grade are you in? And Sarah, are you enjoying yourself today at Camp Harmony?
Yeah.
What have you been doing?
Jumping over the ramp. But I wouldn't advise anybody to do it because it's morbidly unpleasant.
I think it's pretty pleasant. Sarah, can you dance for us, please? Can you do a dance?
Why?
Because I would like to see you dance.
I'll give you music, ready?
Do a dance. Come on.
Why?
Let's see it.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah! This is Sean from Camp Harmony TV, and with Miss. Thank you very much. Sir, this is Sean from Camp Harmony TV. Is there somebody under there? Sir, what's your name? Sir, what's your name? What? We can't hear you. Sir, you're currently under a bunch of snow. We're not sure why. These hooligans here seem to be burying you. Sir, how do you feel about this? Sir, we can't hear you. You're gonna have to speak up. Sir, please. We are old and we are hard of hearing. Can you please speak up? Oh, jeez. Oh, what's your name? What's your name? Ma'am, what's your name?
Marissa.
Marissa, where are you from?
Wimber.
Winburg. And what grade are you in?
7.
And I see you're burying this person here. May I ask why?
Because it's fun.
It's fun. Now what if Mr. can't breathe? He can?
Well, you ask him.
You ask him? How can you ask when you can't hear what he's saying?
He said yes.
Can you please tell me what yes sounds like under snow? How do you know? What does no sound like?